Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Nongtalang Government Secondary School Nongtalang haka arbo hundre sarik unailor daga jing ipo ipe ngalayo aban play yaga jing sedang jong ka jing lekmen yaga Jubili Ksiar naga Golden Jubilee Celebration. MLA jong katanya ba la kemen rumbo yula longkum kongsan wala pen heru yaga lama kum kadak ka jing sedang jong ka jing Rakhe yaga Golden Jubilee haka jing dan lang ka District School Education Officer West Gentia Hills ka kong Almo Peace Aim ba Holando Lamin MDC katanya kinong yalam snong ki reurang ba kinong hikai ki kena skul ki kime ki pa bat ki wei uba la kemen ba ajing kren negeri ke singi ulang ba ka sarkar marwei kamla ban le klem ka jing kershan bat ka jing trailang jong ki pat ba nong song snong daga ba pen paru i ka jing sngongo i ka dor bar snong ba di long shwa ki bala seng ya keni ka skul katkum ka history ka bala puli do ba Albert Lingdo assistant headmaster la ong ba ya ka Nongtalang Government Secondary School la seng daga dor bar snong Nongtalang house nem khat kandai spa anyo pusaw daga bas dang ningkong ya ka ME School ka sitrik uluber khat kandai spa Henry Puwei tang nakabenta class 5 bar ka jingdon ki khna kalong tang Henry ngon kiwei di bala ajing kren ding sngi ki long ba min Lingdo wa he snong ka Nongtalang kong AP's aim District School Education Officer ba Holando Lamin MDC kathan ba nalor kiwei lapun po pen ping ni ka jing Rakhe ki jing shat ba ki jing rwai ki bala shimbenta ki khna school jong kani ka school.
Give a round of applause. Of September 2024, I Shri Lakman Ramboy do declare that the Golden Jubilee celebration of Nongtalang Government Secondary School is open today. Thank you.
Kasila boy, san pau teliki Snem, tang jingken ma, ba jingken ut kishlay. Oh yari sa, hoy kiungin ya perta, saudong yin ya sha.
Standing here today as a member of a silent missionary who spread education into this area. That missionary is Nongtalang village Darbar, the people of Nongtalang, and the right of Nongtalang. History speaks by itself. ME School was established by the village Darbar, taken over by the government. Nongtalang Proceedings High School, established by the village Darbar, taken over by the government. Nongtalang College, established by the village Darbar and supported now by the government. That's why I'm very proud as the son of Nongtalang to say this word, that Nongtalang village Darbar is true missionary in spreading education in this area. Thank you all the villagers. Thank you all the founder member. Thank you all the elders, some who are with us today and some who have not been here today and they have rest in their abode. Government alone cannot do anything without the support of the people. Government cannot do anything without the cooperation of the people. It is you, the citizen of the village, the citizen of this area, who have given your full support. I'm very thankful to the teachers since the beginning until today that you really live to the profession which I embark upon, that to teach, impart education to this part of this area. We have heard from the history, many alumni, many past people, they have well established in their respective field. But now, in present day education, I want to throw 3-4 points. Student. Number one, we have to move from rote learning to more holistic approach that emphasizes on critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving. This is a very, very important in nowadays education we have. Because gone are the days when the teachers teach, give us lesson, we try to remember and try to reproduce it at the time of exam to score or mark. Now, we have to have a critical thinking. We have a collaborative mindset and also the problem solving. This change requires us students nowadays require new skill set, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence. You all students, you are experienced how the power of artificial intelligence. It empowers you in your day-to-day activities, whether mobile, electronic, or anything so on and so forth. That's why it is needed. Robotic learning, we have seen how science transforms our life. And more importantly, entrepreneurship. Government have time and again emphasize the need of entrepreneurship. The government cannot provide job to each and everybody. It is just impossible. So entrepreneurship will help you, will help the society to grow more. Number 3, schools should engage students with a real life problem or real life happening. You teachers have a very important role to play. It's not only to teach in the classroom, but you have also to teach how the students should practice those you are teaching in the classroom in this real life world. That's why come critical thinking, problem solving. So you need to do, the school need to do. From the government, we have seen, I'm very glad that the education fund is now trying, is doing. Our textbook, our curriculum should be aligned with the day-to-day world, so that the students could apply what they learn into the real world. Number 4, government of Malaysia has promoted STEM education. It is very important. I'm very glad the director has launched, emphasized last week, if I remember correctly. It is very important. The school should have a learning club. We have seen library here in Nongtalang Government Secondary School. There is a library. But how many people are going to library? Nongtalang Government School, I urge you, the teachers, form the learning club among the students so that they could interact among themselves, sharing of ideas, sharing of a mind, so that they will solve the problem amongst themselves. More importantly, create things for their own benefit. The school should establish, lead the way to establish a coding club. It's very important now everywhere. We have seen code is very important. Before we know only pin code, but now everywhere in library or anything, try to establish so that it will help the student. Keep the student exposure. I'm very thankful to let Naduh Snem, the headmaster of primary school teacher, headmaster of ME school, and teach in high school also. After school, he exposed us to reality of the farming. He teach us to the orange grove. He take us to betel nut grove or betel leaf plantation, so that we will learn, we will experience, we will expose. The schools should enable the student for internship. The class 10 student, 9, 10 student, what is the harm to take them 2-3 days to Langpot in Dauki? Let them learn how export-import is being done. What are the needs? Who knows? Maybe from the class 9, class 10, somebody through this internship exposure, they will become a big entrepreneur or a businessman. So this is the need of this is the today's education. And more importantly, transferring of skills. My dear teachers, transferring of skills is a very, very important. This is the last point. Through what? Communicating. You teach the student how to communicate. Communicate their skills. When I talk of transferring of skills, they acquire knowledge in this classroom. But when they go to face interview, because they didn't know how to transfer that skills, it does not help them. Transferring of skills is very important. Communication. Number 2, transferring of problem solving. Whatever we learn in the school, we should educate. The student should educate other students more. Transferring of skills. And this will enhance your skills. And more importantly, adaptability. It is very, very important to adapt. My dear student, adapt yourself to the changing environment of education. Adapt to the problem solving. Adapt to the different skills. Empower yourself. It is very, very important to empower yourself. And because these are the foundation of today's education. If you learn these 4 or 5 things which I tell you today, I know you can navigate all the hardship, all the different things in your day-to-day life. So my dear student, it is very, very important. 50 years we are celebrating here today to set the foundation of new way of education. New education policy have been implemented. So we have to have this new mindset. Then takadaw, ngakan to yapi kiwe pewe kikna school. Bapinlong kikna kiba nang banje yaki e kiba pinshim bat pinang bat de ba pinang ban bread yaki e kiba unde ngalakren management ang tak artificial intelligence kibon kay ba mapen mentoy bat ki donro kiba wanra ya kajing snew dem takadaw long ikna kiba nang tang man pule nang ban perkhat critical thinking tang ban pule nang ban pusan. It is very, very important. Pide ban pusan yak pule hato kihikai yangi nakabanta ka germination of seeds kadai na kamde practice pila ban yo ya kita ke sakaway ka bang akwa kumaong mene kambesyo ka basok banyo kam sarkar haray ki kam ki belay ladang idon kata kasat ka skills hamne ha school kaladon ko vocational training nakamta artli lightly ki trip ngam kemau what ship ketu kaday tang bapins yo score max m learn. And who knows, you will teach others. Then takadaw, kabakang san galong ba amday shu bangin lay sa school ngipule ya kabahikay babu bupi lanlandet hayim anda puak exam shu tho tang yakatu kaba ngi ihikay bat ndray pendan kam ya ka ek wapule. Then takadaw life is very, very tough. You have to face so many hardships in studying. But those hardships, those difficulties will empower you, will make you the one who can challenge the world. I'm sure, I wish the student of Nongtalang Government Secondary School commit themselves that I will be someone. I will stand faith. I can transfer my skills to the other. I can educate the other. And I will be a good human being, more importantly, the one who is as an asset to society. Give up anything, any thought, any mind for all this substance abuse, for all this drug or other substance abuse. Don't ever let that thought, that mind infiltrate into your mindset, but prepare yourself to face that. Come what may, I will be an asset to the society. With these few words, I wish the Nongtalang Government Secondary School family the best, and more importantly, that this celebration, which culminating on the 13th of December, where our Honorable Chief Minister will be here today, that will be a very fruitful celebration. More importantly, as I told you, let this celebration, my dear teacher, take the student to learn the life problem, how to solve the problem, how to engage themselves with companies, how to engage themselves with entrepreneurship, so that it will become more fruitful. This word, thank you much. God bless you. Kublai Shibun, Yabarak, Kublai.